Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to erase YouTube search history. Clearing your YouTube search history is a smart move for several reasons, keeping your viewing private from family or friends. It also helps YouTube's algorithm recommend videos that truly interest you right now, rather than old, irrelevant topics. Taking control of your search data ensures a more personalized and secure experience every time you open the app. To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet, or go to youtube.com on your computer. Once there, locate and tap on the library icon, which is usually found in the bottom right corner for mobile users, or on the left sidebar for those on a desktop. Inside the library, simply select History to access all your past activity, including both watched videos and search terms. Once you are on the History page, you will see a combined list of your watched videos and previous searches. To delete just one specific search term, scroll down until you find the entry you wish to remove. On mobile devices, tap the three dots beside the search term. On a computer, simply click the X icon. Confirm your decision, and that particular search will be permanently cleared from your record. For a more comprehensive cleanup, look for the Manage All History or Clear All Watch History option on the History page. This will redirect you to your Google Activity Controls for YouTube. Here, you can select Delete Activity By and choose from options like Last 1 hour, Last 24 hours, or even All Time to clear broad sections. You can also pause your YouTube history from this menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.